Every week, mechanics across the world see the same set of car issues roll into their workshops. Knowing these common faults can save you time, money, and a lot of stress on the road. First up, engine misfires and rough idling. This usually points to worn-out spark plugs, dirty fuel injectors, or ignition problems. If your car shakes when idling, don't ignore it. Small misfires can lead to major engine damage. Next, brake wear and noise. Squealing or grinding when you brake often means your pads are worn down. Replacing them early is far cheaper than replacing rotors or calipers later. Another frequent offender, fluid leaks. Whether it's engine oil, coolant, or transmission fluid, leaks are signs something's wrong. Check under your car regularly and never overlook small drips. Mechanics also deal with battery failures more often than you think. Short trips, extreme temperatures, and lack of maintenance can drain a battery fast. A simple voltage check once a month can prevent being stranded. Stay ahead by keeping up with routine maintenance and paying attention to small warning signs. Preventive care is always cheaper than repairs. This is your reminder to treat your car like an investment. It'll return the favor on every drive.